Hi, I'm Rainer, the Senior Application Engineer here for the FRIATEC Electrofusion brand at Alaxis, Germany. Thanks to my Australian colleagues Vinidex and our local partner Reece, it's a pleasure for me to present you all the beautiful items of this sponsored tool bag after purchasing our scraper tool FWSG 400 or our FRIAMAT fusion unit Prime Echo. First of all, I would like to present you this very nice looking soft shell jacket which keeps you warm on side and nice looking, not just on the side. Safety having the highest priority. That's the reason to wear this safety vest all the time on site. Regarding the tooling, first of all, you will find this beautiful tape measure. This tape measure will enable you not just to measure the pipe length, also to identify the pipe OD, and you can double check if this pipe OD complies with the requirements of the current AS/NN standard. This typical German ruler can't be used like that. Just open one link by the other until you reach your final diameter. This ruler can be originally used to check, of course, the pipe length, but also to identify the pipe ovality if you measure on different points and to see clearly how oval out of roundness your pipe is. Furthermore, there's an option to bring this ruler in a 90-degree angle to check maybe the pipe cut or even the toe-in effect on the pipe. The deburring tool here helps you, especially if the pipe was cut by a saw and a lot of swarfs hanging around on the inner or outer edge of the pipe. With this deburring tool, you have a quite fast and easy removal of the swarfs. The FRIALEN marker, and you will get 10 of these, will help you to mark the right insertion depth to ensure that the fitting is really inserted completely before starting the fusion. And of course, it's also helpful to write down all the parameters done after the fusion directly close to the joint, including, of course, the cooling time. With the caliper, you can check the swarf thickness. As you may know, according to the standard, the swarf thickness should be about 0.2 millimeter after the peeling. So please do a random check to ensure that the blade of your scraper tool is not worn out. Cleaning of the pipe and fitting is also very, very important. Therefore, you will find here a box with the cleaning wipes with an alcohol content of 90% of isopropyl, which helps you after peeling the pipe to clean the pipe in the proper way and the fitting inner diameter as well. Don't try to use any other stuff like baby wipes, like old rags or something like that. The payback will result in a bad fusion. Just as a slightly reminder, you will find as well a quick installation guide for both for fittings and for saddles, which reminds you the installation steps according to the POP 001 standard in Australia. And last but not least, also very important to keep all the data together, you will find this workflow voucher in the back as well, which gives you a quick and fast access to a project-based working here, collecting all the data in one shot. I wish you now a lot of fun with your new tool bag, and of course, if there's any further requests, please don't hesitate to go in directly touch with our Reece partner or with my lovely Vinidex colleagues. Kind regards from Germany. Auf Wiedersehen.